Hello viewers and welcome to our YouTube channel. Do like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get further notifications on our videos. Without further ado, let's move on to our topic for today. Despite this whole deadly pandemic that we are actually going through currently, some parts of the world are also facing another issue: the plague. As the saying goes, a locust is an insect that looks like a cloud but can eat an entire farm. Let's look at some facts before we actually move on to the nature of locusts. Ethiopia is actually facing the world's worst outbreak after 25 years, while Kenya is going through the same situation after 7 decades. In India, locusts are usually sighted from July to October along the Pakistan border. Last year, some parts of India, like the western Rajasthan and northern Gujarat, reported swarms that caused damage to rubber crops have been spotted. And this has been the first swarm in India since 1997. A plague causes a lot of problems. First, it causes crop failure, it causes starvation and spread of germs and diseases as rodents eat on insects. Now let's move on and see what locusts really are. They are a special kind of grasshopper from 20 out of 7,000 species that transform into a gregarious phenotype. Their bodies change as they socialize in bigger groups. They change the color of their body and they grow muscles. Right? Just imagine locusts having muscles. So they actually literally grow muscles and their whole body color changes. Where do these locusts actually live? They live in dry areas. Dry areas right across Africa south of the Sahara and into India. Okay, so these are the places where they have been spotted to live according to research. How far can they actually travel? To tell you the truth, they actually fly according to the speed of the wind. If the wind is really strong, so they can fly really fast. It all depends on how strong the wind blows. They can travel up to 100 to 200 kilometers per day and up to 2,000 meters above sea level, as high altitudes are too cold for them. The solitarious locust is always secluded. It's alone. It does not go around and mingles with the other locusts. It's always alone and is usually spotted or flies out mostly at night. While a gregarious one, or the dangerous ones, which actually causes a lot of damage, they swarm up. So they are always in their groups. They do not live alone. They are always with their groups. They go everywhere with their group. So the mummy locust can actually decide if she wants her offspring to be solitarious or gregarious. Surprising fact, right? There's actually something in the protective foam around the eggs that can cause the eggs to hatch into a gregarious nymph. Why do these desert locusts actually go gregarious when the majority species are actually secluded or solitarious? It all actually depends on the dry area which they call or consider home. They only lay eggs in moist areas. So being opportunists, what they do is whenever there's a rainy season or whenever it's raining, they lay their eggs. And they lay eggs like mad. So basically the whole soil is actually filled with their eggs during heavy rains. Now let's see how they actually adapt to their new social life from being solitarious, how do they adapt being gregarious? As mentioned, their bodies transform inside and out. From being drab, tan, they change or their color transforms into something else more striking, which is yellow and black, signaling that they are actually being toxic. So it's actually a sign to the predators that they are dangerous. What are these locusts attracted to? They're actually attracted to a toxic alkaloid fluid found in local plants. These gregarious locusts can actually be on their own, but why don't they be on their own? Being bright can really be dangerous for them, as they are easily spotted, so they are usually drab. How long can these locusts survive? They can actually survive a month without water. Why do they actually migrate from one place to another? After the eggs hatch, there's definitely going to be a lot of locusts all around, and the more locusts you have, the lesser food. So to avoid running out of food, they actually migrate from one place to another looking for food. Alright, so that's all, and I hope that today's video has actually helped you to understand the nature of a locust. So don't forget to join us again in our next video on more exciting and fun topics. In this video, we actually decided to do something related to the current situation. So that's why we actually chose this topic to talk on. So don't forget to join us in our next video for more exciting bits. So thank you for watching.